What's up, nations? Wait, my fingernails is not the reason for this video. If you're the first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn the notification bell button so you can be notified whenever your girl posts any YouTube video. So today we're gonna be creating a soft makeup glam, very simple and very easy. First of all, we're gonna start by concealing the eyebrow. Yeah, I draw my eyebrow off camera because I don't want any mistake or any problem. To blend the concealer all over my crease and blend it perfectly fine. Next, I'm gonna be using my contour palette in the shade 01 to blend on top my crease before I apply my eyeshadow. Also going to be blending the other side of my crease. I'm just gonna blend it soft, perfectly fine before I apply my eyeshadow. I'm going ahead to apply my Juvia's palette in the shade Carrie and Bucani. I'm going to be blending it towards my eyebrows and also to the other side. After applying the dark and light brown eyeshadow, I'll go ahead to cut my crease, and before I apply the shade 607 eyeshadow on top, I'm just go ahead to blend them thoroughly together. You know the vibe. You know what, you guys, it's not easy to do voiceover or like voice record. It's not easy. Like, I'm shaking. You guys, at this point I really don't know what to say. So after blending the eyeshadow, I'll go ahead to apply my eyeliner. You guys, you see, I almost put my face on the camera because when I apply my eyeliner, oh my god, you guys, I don't know, I'm not comfortable applying eyeliner. I just want the mirror to be closer to me before I apply my eyeliner perfectly fine. So I'll just, after applying the eyeliner, I'll just go ahead to fix my lashes and do the needful. You understand? You know the vibe. Oh my god. So the moment we have been waiting for, just go ahead to apply my mascara under my lashes. Then we'll go ahead to apply to prime my face, to moisturize my face. I'm using my skin balm to moisturize my face as usual. I don't joke with this skin balm because I really like it. It really helps me a lot. Like, sometimes I do sweat, or I have sweat on my face, and this skin balm really helps me a lot. So after priming and doing the necessary things, I just going to apply my foundation. This time, you guys, we are missing. I'm using Dior in the shade number 4, and also mixing it with the American. I forgot the name of the American, the shade, the number. So I'll just go ahead to blend it. Blend. You know the vibes. We're gonna blend it. After blending, we're gonna be using the concealer. You guys, this is the most easiest soft makeup glam I've ever done. Really, you guys, this glam is really soft and it's very simple and easy. After blending the foundation thoroughly, I'll go ahead to apply my concealer to my face. I just go ahead to apply it underneath my face, and also to the other side. My chain, is it chain order? Yeah, chain, and also on top my nose, my forehead, all over the area where you're supposed to conceal. The area where you're supposed to conceal. So I just go ahead to conceal and also do the contour. After applying the contour on the concealer, I just go ahead to blend them thoroughly into my skin. At this point, guys, I'm going to be using the Glam baking powder to bake my face. I'm just going to be pressing it all over my face, the area where I concealed. You guys, at this point, I don't even know what to say again, because it's not easy. It's not easy to make a voiceover. Like, literally, it's really hard. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video without no voiceover. You guys, this is the part where I was fighting with my edges. Like, my edges is so stubborn to layer. I don't get it. So are you guys ready for the finished look? You guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.